Hi everybody, welcome to the 5th lesson of Musical Monsters. My name is Michael Stegner. In today's lesson we're going to learn how to improvise a little bit. Improvise means to make something up on the spot. Please remember to like and subscribe the video. Good luck and have some fun with this. If you take a look at the first 4 notes of plugging in the robot, right over here, you'll notice that those notes look pretty strange. And what that means is when you have 4 of those slash notes, that means you can play whatever note you want on the piano as long as you play the rhythm of a quarter note or one beat. So in the past we use Zach, 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 or Beth, 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 Beth. So if I play this song, I'm going to just do 4 Beths, Beth, 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 and then I go right to the music, which is Do in the second measure. So let's try that. You're going to play 4 Beths in a row and then jump in and play Do through the end of the song on this one. So ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Beth, 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 Beth. Do, 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 do. All right, let's try that one more time. Make sure you understand what's going on. So I'm going to do it once just to show you how it works. So I'm going to go Beth, 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 Do, 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 and I jump back in. I'll do another one. Let's do Zach. So here I go. Zach, 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 Do, 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 Do. I even played more than one note at the same time. It doesn't matter. You can literally play whatever you want as long as you're playing a steady beat, and then you jump right back in on plugging in the robot on the notes that happen when Do starts. So ready? Let's do it together. 1, 2, you play. Beth, 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 Beth. Do, 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 do. All right, it's that easy. So experiment. Try all white keys. Try all black keys. Try things at the top of the piano. Try things in the bottom of the piano. Really mix it up and see what you like and what you don't like. Okay, next one, let's look at that and then you'll be good to go. This one's called Pick and Choose. So this one, you start with Do, Re, Mi, Do, Re, Mi, and then you've got a Beth, Beth, right? Okay, so Beth, Beth, Abby. Let's use those names. Okay, Beth, Beth, Abby. So, ready, 2, here we go. Do, Re, Mi, Beth, Beth, Abby. Mi, Re, Do, Mi, Re, Do. Let's try that one more time together. 1, 2, here we go. Do, Re, Mi, Beth, Beth, Abby. Mi, Re, Do, Mi, Re, Do. One really fun thing to do with this, when you see those notes where you can make up any other notes, try and make sounds that sound like animals. For example, when I do the parts that are diamonds and slashes this time, I'm going to make up sounds that sound like birds. Ready? See if you can do this with me. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, Re, Mi, Beth, Beth, Abby. Mi, Re, Do, Mi, Re, Do. Notice I played up at the top of the piano and it made it sound a lot like where birds would sing. Let's do another one and make it sound like bears or something that has a low rumble. So ready? 1, 2, here we go. Do, Re, Mi, Beth, Beth, Abby. Mi, Re, Do, Mi, Re, Do. Okay, hear the difference? Practice plugging in the robot, Pick and Choose, You're the Boss, and Big Finish. Be able to play all 4 songs with the slow, medium, fast, and pro practice tracks. Sing Do, Re, Mi each time you play a song. There are no wrong notes for the slashes and diamonds. Be creative and have fun. For bonus, be able to play each song with the different song's practice tracks. For example, be able to play plugging in the robot while listening to the practice track of Big Finish. All the songs can be played at the same time. Remember to like and subscribe.